So hello guys, today we will see how to resolve an .htaccess file error, which is mostly happen on WordPress. So to rectify .htaccess error, what you need to do is you just have to access the file manager. In file manager, you can see various .htaccess file has been created, and how to know the whatever you are facing is because of .htaccess file. uh, so there's a one way. After opening a .htaccess file, you can see there's some malicious code uh, at the about the actual code. This code is this you have to remove this code. So for first, you need to understand what a .htaccess file error is. So .htaccess file error is like as you can see, these are the some pages about radio index. So some malicious code has been added to this pages, so you have to delete that code, and also you have to delete this code in order to solve the error. So first we'll see there is an about PHP page. You can click here. So first I will show you that I'm not able to log in into my WordPress dashboard. So there might be two cases where you may have the WordPress dashboard access, or you may not have WordPress dashboard access. So after opening this file, you can see this is a .htaccess. This is some malicious code. You can easily find out the malicious code in this file. uh, this file is originally starting from echo.doctype html. So I don't think anything is related to our website is included in this file. So this file is totally scrapped because about.php file is never in the direct directory. Means the this is the which is a direct directory, which means the home directory of our website. So what we'll do is we'll delete this directory about.php. We'll delete this file. Then after deleting that file, the second file is index.php. Let me see. You don't have yes, you don't have to delete this file, because this file we need this file. So as this is clear, this is clearly catchable that the malicious code, this is the malicious code. Yes, so you have to delete this much. Don't forget to save the changes, otherwise it is not useful. Then the third one is content.php. Let me see where it is. Yes, this is the file. Okay. Yes. This website is nothing related to investment. So what we can do is what we will delete this file also, content.php, and then again this is not there. We can find log file. Okay, these are some files. Whatever file you can find in the means the files which are mentioned here, you just have to search it in the your file manager, and you have to delete that file expecting this index.php. So after this has been done, remove the duplicates of .htaccess files also, and in .htaccess file you have to remove this code. Don't forget to save the changes. Okay, so I think we are pretty much ready. Just check again, just check again if the .htaccess file has again that code. No, so we don't have that code in our .htaccess file. We are ready now. I will just try to log in my admin panel. Okay, so now I am able to log in into my admin panel. Thank you so much. So hello guys, today we will see how to resolve the .htaccess file error. So .htaccess file error is something related to addition of malicious code in your hosting account. Means on in some files there might be a malicious code that will cause this .htaccess file error. So the process is pretty simple. You just have to remove the malicious code from your files and save all the changes, and after doing this you are pretty much ready to log into your dashboard. Yes. So what happens is when .htaccess file is there, you will not able to log in into your WP admin, which is your WordPress dashboard. So after rectifying this error, you can easily go to your WordPress dashboard.